Underarm, but I've got the feeling he's an ex-Victorian skipper. We're going to an underarm. We ever believed it? And that's a disappointing finish. Disappointed Brian McKechnie, the crowd boo. And it's all over. After 50 overs, New Zealand 8 for 229.
This is the last ball of the rematch. Incredible. It's exactly the same situation as all those years back. The Chappells are getting their heads together, and surely not. It's going to be an underarm again. Is that what they're saying? I think it is. There's a little nod there. The umpires are getting together. McKechnie's looking around the ground. Well, this is very disappointing. Here it goes again, all over again. Down the wicket she goes. McKechnie looking at it. Well, hang on, this is different. He's putting something down on the pitch. It looks like he's boxed. Yes, it is. The ball's hit the box in the air, and he's heaving it down over the grey. It's going to go all the way to the fence. This is unbelievable. It's gone all the way. That's a huge hit from McKechnie, and to be perfectly honest, it serves the Aussies right.